The driver of this vehicle put two motorcyclists and another vehicle in danger when they decided to do something extremely stupid. Stay tuned and I'll tell you the story. Hubby and I were enjoying a beautiful day of riding. We had just left the bay and we were coming into the small town that you have to go through in order to get to the bay. And this is a beautiful little town. All the roads in the center of town are 25 miles an hour. So we had turned on to the road that led us out of the small town to the main road. So if you see behind Hubby, there is no vehicles or anything. And all of a sudden in the distance, you can see a vehicle turning onto the same road we were on. And in a matter of minutes, this vehicle was tailgating Hubby. So we get to the stop sign at the main road. Now the main road is 50 miles an hour. So as you see, I'm waiting, two vehicles pass, and Hubby and I make our right-hand turn. Now as you can see from Hubby's camera, the vehicle is not tailgating Hubby at the moment, but that quickly changes. It isn't long before this vehicle is back tailgating Hubby. Now we had to slow down because of the two vehicles in front of me started hitting their brakes. Now the vehicle in front of the SUV, I believe, wasn't sure where they were going. So I decided to slow down a little bit because not knowing what was going on with the two vehicles in front of me, as Hubby did do, giving again a safe distance just in case somebody jammed on their brakes or did something stupid. So as the vehicles are continuing to slow down in front of me, I see the SUV in front of me put on her left turn signal. Mr. or Mrs. Impatient behind Hubby decides that they're going to pass not only Hubby and I, but the two vehicles in front of me, not realizing that the SUV in front of me is going to be making a left-hand turn into a driveway. this person put not only hubby and I, but the vehicle in front of me's life in danger. This could have been extremely, extremely bad. If I had been alongside of this vehicle when he or she realized that the vehicle in front of me was making a left, they could have came over, not a care, I believe they would have. They could have T-boned the vehicle making the left. This could have turned out really bad. So be safe out there, guys. You never know when a situation like this is going to happen. Luckily for us, it turned out great. This could have turned out a lot worse. This idiot, and yes, I'm calling him an idiot, put 3 people's lives in danger that didn't need to be put in danger. All for what? I don't know. But luckily it worked out, and all 3 of us were able to live another day. So guys, keep your eyes 360 out there. Keep your wits about you, because you just never know. So ride safe, guys. Stay healthy, and I'll catch you on the next.